This is the DJI Lito X1. It's built for beginners but doesn't feel like one. You get omnidirectional obstacle sensing with forward-facing LiDAR. Kaya perfect to sa mga beginner. Let's unbox what inside. Kung naghahanap ka ng drone na budget-friendly pero quality, it might be the one. Image quality 48 megapixel. Video quality 4K 60 HDR. Even 4K 100 FPS. It's like under 249 grams. Very portable and easy to carry. And the range up to 15 kilometers transmission. So, if you're looking for first drone, isama mo to sa listahan mo. Meron na nga pala tong kasamang remote, sticker, at yung manual na kailangan nating basahin. Extra propeller, cable connector, at ito na yung mismong drone natin. Bali, wala nga pala siyang kasamang monitor. Cellphone yung magiging monitor natin. Long press para ma-open nyo yung mismong remote. And then, long press din kapag i-off. Dito naman yung mismo joystick ng ating remote control. Kailangan mo lang siyang i-screw or pihitin ng gamit ang kamay. And then, pwede mo na ang gamitin. Pwede ka nga rin pala mag-picture dito. Supported with Android or iOS with extra connector. Just download DJI application to use this drone. Dahan-dahan nga lang pala sa pagbuklat ng mga arm para hindi siya masira or mabali. If you are interested, click mo lang yung basket, then check out.